Numit mangani chupna chatharakkhiba Northeast India Film Festival 2024 ngasi loishinkhre. Manipuri shaknairaba Director Haobam Pabankumar na festival asida Best Director gi mana phangba ngamkhre. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting amasung Manipur State Film Development Society gi santhang makada Thauna Manipur na Manipur lenga ki DIPR amasung Department of Art and Culture gi matenga loinana chatharakkhiba Northeast Film Festival 2024 loishinbagi thoram adu MSFDS ki auditorium da chinglemna pangthoki. Thoram aduda IPR amasung Art and Culture ki Commissioner M Joy, DIPR ki Director Dr. T.A. Saranjit, Film Forum Manipur ki President L. Surjakanta Amadi, Organizing Committee ki Chairman Y. Nilachandrana, President Member Singwena Saruyaki, Ahan Boyna Haukibatang Ahumdagi Chatharakkhiba Northeast Film Festival 2024 loishinbagi thoram aduda tongan ba award kyasu lantoki. Film Tarahum Doi Thazilakbagi Manungda Film Nipan Khangatkhiba Festival asida Best Film ki award asi Karogi Film Rapture na phangki. Award asida saloina lupa lakh ama lising kun lengyan memento amadi certificate yauri. Best Director ki award na Manipuri Film Joseph Zangi Director Haobam Pabankumar na lanthoki. Ngakpigani Pabankumar da lanthoki. Best Director ki award asi phangbagi damak Haobam Pabankumar da saloina lupa lising yankhay lengyan memento amadi certificate lanthoki. Festival asigi jury award for outstanding performance na Guru Duwen Mashangba na Joseph San Hariba film asida phangba ngamki. Aduga special jury award na Assamese film Before Spring gi director Shruti Smiti da lanthoki. Loinana best editing gi award na Assamese film Samarpan amasung best cinematography gi award na Assamese film Before Spring na phangba ngamki. Thoram aduda chief guest oina saruyakiba IPR amasung Art and Culture gi Commissioner M Joy na hai. Festival ase Northeast ki tongan ba background gi lakba filmmaker singi nungairaba khongchat amani loinana thamoi gi oiba kaungam laroidaba experience amasu festival asina pidaba nate director singi haisingba top mityang amadi experience ki matengna khunai amada aikoina pamdaba amasung samdok haningba kaya film da akanba sapu piduna chumthokpa mathau tai haina su joina makata na phongdoki.
Dear filmmakers, your creations have not only entertained us but also stir our souls, leaving an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. May the influence of these films continue to resonate within us, fostering dialogues, understanding, and a commitment to embrace the diverse stories that shape our world.